Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ed Harrison with the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the Ameriplan coming to you from the great state of Colorado this afternoon. It is September 1st, 2020. Welcome to our YouTube video call for the week. Today, I'd like to talk to my fellow Americans about implants. I know you see them on TV all the time. Implants. They're very expensive. I've had some myself, and they can be pretty expensive, ladies and gentlemen. Even for one tooth, I think here a couple of years ago, I got an implant with our program. I got 35 to 40% off with our program, our discount dental program, but it still ended up costing me $1,600 for one tooth, ladies and gentlemen, one tooth. And those of you who are interested in implants, and once again, you see the commercials, they're on day and night here in Colorado and across the country. And I've got friends, I'm over 65, who have gotten implants. And I look at some of the staggering bills that I hear from my fellow colleagues as well as friends. And people are spending upwards of $15,000, $20,000, $30,000. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 for implants. Now, that's your choice, but you don't have to pay full price, ladies and gentlemen, for implants. With the Ameriplan Discount Dental Program, we probably can guarantee to get you at least 25% off on those implants that you're considering, whether it's a couple of teeth or whatever. I'm not a dentist, so I can't tell you exactly what they will cost, because you would have to get an evaluation from a dentist or specialist who handles implants. And we have numerous dentists and orthodontists that handle implants across the country. I'm here in Colorado. We have dentists and orthodontists and people that specialize in implants across the country. We have over 80,000 dentists in our particular network. So those of you who live in LA or New Mexico, or you live in Atlanta, Georgia, or New York, or New Jersey, or Montana, or not Montana, I would say Nebraska, because we're not in Montana. You have an opportunity to save money on implants. And I know we have a lot of older people who are out there that may have Medicare, and Medicare does not cover any type of dental work, but I get a lot of calls from seniors, from retired military, who are interested in implants, or they're considering implants, and they're shopping around on the internet and anywhere else they can find information. But most of the information that I see these days with the commercials and so forth on the cable networks, they're advertising implants. And of course, they will make an evaluation of your mouth and tell you can get them in a day. But ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you, you're not going to get them in a day. It's going to take a few months, because it's a little complicated to get implants, because I've been through it. So please take a hard look at this video. I'm talking about implants for you or your loved ones. They can be expensive. And with the Ameriplan Discount Dental Plan, we can get you some savings on those implants. And many of these dentists also have financial means whereby you can set up payment plans and so forth. We don't deal in that, but you will hear those commercials. They're on 24 hours a day about implants. But the Ameriplan Discount Dental Plan Plus, we can save you money on all your dental and service, on all your dental needs, as well as implants. So we're talking about implants. And so please give us a call so we can talk a little more about that. And I hope you have a great day and stay safe out there. Thank you.